You know what they say, you're beautiful today. As long as the sky is blue, all I want is you. I went to your house, didn't think you'd mind. I put up a note while I was wasting time. Ooh, you can't imagine the way the sun shines out loud. When I'm near you, I dance and sing like I'm walking on a cloud. I borrowed your key from under the mat. The house is empty still, except for your old cat. He was just so cute that I took him home. Smells just like you, now I'm never alone. Ooh, you can't imagine how I love that my walls aren't bare. I can see you anytime, your face, your smile and hair. I have black clothes and binoculars, my pad of notes and camera lenses practically yours. Your yard is my living room, don't worry, I'll come visit soon. Soon we'll both be talking for hours. When I called you up and I tapped your phone, I tapped on your window, I'm tossing up some stones. Oh, that one was too big, so I apologized. I didn't mean to break it. Oh, please don't cry. I'll give you my night vision goggles, Monopoly and Boggle, pictures of you and I taped them together, now we look like a pair. You know you never seem to smile. You kicked me out, I guess you don't love me. All this stuff for nothing, but hey, I still have your key. I was sad for a while, but now I see I can still be near you if you don't love me. Cause I have black clothes and binoculars, my pad of notes and camera, never had a doubt. Your yard is my living room, we're waiting there all afternoon, and you can never toss me out. Ooh, you can never